Hello, I am Rohini Thomre. Today, in this lecture, we will study what is environment and environmental segment. Environment. It means surrounding in which we are living, which includes all living, that is biotic, and non-living abiotic factors on which we are interdependent. Environment consists of various segments such as atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere. Before explaining the chemistry that is taking place in this segment one by one, a brief outline about their importance we will discuss. So, we are going to start with first segment of environment, that is atmosphere. This is the brief introduction or diagram shows the chemistry between environmental and environmental segment. Now, let us start with the atmosphere. Atmosphere is the protective blanket of gases which is surrounding the earth. It protects the earth from the hostile environment of outer space. It absorbs IR radiations emitted by the sun and re-emitted from the earth, and thus control the temperature of the earth. It allows transmission of significant amount of radiations only in the regions of 300 to 2500 mm near UV, visible near IR, and 0.01 to 40 meters radio waves. It acts as a source for CO2 for plant photosynthesis and O2 for respiration. It acts as a source for nitrogen fixing by bacteria and ammonia producing plants. The atmosphere transports water from ocean to land. Now, the second segment is hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is a collective term given to all different forms of water. It includes all types of water resources such as ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, streams, reservoirs, glaciers, and groundwaters. The distribution of water supply is shown in the figure. 1%, 2%, 97% ocean high salt content unusable for human consumption. The extent of the use of available fresh water for various purposes like domestic use, industrial use, and thermal power plant use. The major uses of source water, fresh water. The major problem with global water supply is its non-uniform distribution, since people in areas with low precipitations often consume more than people in regions with more rainfall. The next layer segment is lithosphere. The earth is divided into layers as shown below in figure. It consists of inner core, outer core, lower mantle, upper mantle, and the crust. The 40 kilometer layers of earth, that is the crust, is the outer layer that is accessible to human. The crust consists of rocks and soil, of which the latter is the important part of the lithosphere. The next segment of atmosphere, the next segment of environment is biosphere. Biosphere refers to the realm of living organisms and their interaction with the environment. For example, it provides the interaction with atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere segment of environment. The biosphere is very large and complex and is divided into smaller units called ecosystem. Plants, animals and microorganisms which live in a definite zone along with the physical factor such as soil, water and air constitutes an ecosystem. Within each ecosystem, there are dynamic interrelationships between living forms and their physical environment. This diagram shows the constitution of biosphere. That is, it shows the part of atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. These interrelationships manifest as a natural cycles. The natural cycles operate in a balanced manner, providing a continuous circulation of essential constituents necessary for life, and this stabilizes the sustain the life processes on earth. So, in this video, we have studied what is environment and the segments of environment, that is atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. Thank you.